am good and I'm hoping you guys are fine too. So today I bring to you a different snacky idea, and that is the masoor dal snacky idea. So usually at times we have masoor dal at our house, but we don't know what to do with it. So today I bring to you a great recipe. It's also just like a pancake. So yes, this recipe, you can serve this for breakfast, lunch or dinner, and it's going to be a very healthy recipe. Includes a lot of vegetables, and you can feed this to your children, especially if they don't love vegetables. So let's start making this lovely recipe, masoor dal snacky idea. So to make the masoor dal snacky idea, here I have half cup of masoor dal. I've taken the measuring cup and this is half cup. I'm going to take a bowl and add the masoor dal in a bowl. Next I'm going to add in 1 cup of water. I'm going to wash this dal thoroughly, and then I'm going to soak it in clean water for 1 hour. So just washing it. Make sure to wash this dal at least 3 to 4 times. So I've added in clean fresh water, and now I'm going to close this dal and let it soak nicely for 1 hour. So the dal is going to swell up and it's going to be bigger in size. So see you guys after 1 hour. So the masoor dal has been soaking since 1 hour, and let's check. So you can see the dal has become slightly bigger in size, and even quantity has become almost double. So again, after soaking this, I'm going to wash it 2 times or so that to get rid of all this starchy water. So I'm going to drain this and wash it 2 to 3 times. So I've drained this dal and this is completely ready. Now I'm taking a grinder. Into the grinder I'm going to be adding in 1/4 cup of rava or suji to give us that nice binding. After adding in the rava, I'm going to add this soaked masoor dal inside the grinder. Just add it all inside. After adding in this masoor dal, I'm going to be adding in half cup of water. Now with the measurement of water, you have to remember the much dal you will use, that much water you will use. And for half cup masoor dal, you have to use 1/4 cup of suji or rava or semolina. So adding in half cup of water. After adding in the water, I'm going to be adding in some ginger. This is 1 inch ginger, roughly chopped, as I'm going to grind it. I have not chopped it finely. So adding in the ginger. Next I'm adding in green chilies. This is 1 green chili. This is not very spicy. And adding in around 4 to 5 spicy green chilies. After adding in the ginger, green chilies, masoor dal, water and rava, I'm going to close this and I'm going to blend this into a nice batter. So this is ready. I've grinded it. Now I'm going to take this out in a bowl. I've taken this out in a bigger bowl, and right now this is thick. This is how it looks like. Now into this I'm going to be adding in some vegetables. So here I took 1 small carrot, peeled it and I've grated it using a small grater. I have 1 onion chopped, 1 small capsicum chopped, and I have 1 potato that I have grated. This is boiled and grated potato. So I'm going to add the grated carrots. Just 1 grated carrot. You can add or omit any vegetables. Next adding in chopped onion. Next adding in green capsicum chopped. You can also add yellow capsicum or red capsicum as well. Now the potato, the grated potato that I'm using over here is nicely boiled, and just don't mash it, just grate it, and this is going to add nice creaminess into this batter. So adding in the grated potato. So add all the leftovers inside. I have some nice washed fresh coriander that I'm going to finely chop and add into this batter. Just take generous amount of coriander, as coriander is going to be very nice. Now this is a very healthy and tasty recipe. It might take you just a little bit of time because of the soaking the masoor dal and all, but overall is going to be perfect. So after adding in the coriander, I'm going to mix this all nicely in the batter. So just slowly by slowly mix in all the vegetables with the batter. As the batter was thick, it is nicely going to mix together. So anytime you go to your grocery store, do not forget to buy masoor dal, as it's very healthy. So you can see I've mixed this just little bit more. Trust me, it's going to be very tasty. I've mixed this nicely well. Next in, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add according to your taste. Next in, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Just add the jeera. Additionally, I'm not using any other ingredient. Just salt and the jeera. As for spiciness, we have already added most of the ingredients. Now I'm just going to be adding in little bit of water. Just around starting, I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of water. Adding in 2 tablespoons of water, and I'm going to gently give it a nice mix. So basically I'm going to be preparing almost something like pancake. Healthy version of masoor dal snacky idea is going to be pancake. So just mix it. Let me check the consistency. Okay, the consistency is slightly more thick. So I'm going to be adding in additional 1 tablespoon of water. Adding in a tablespoon of water, I'm going to mix this nicely. Now this is my perfect consistency. Just mixing it nicely. The much more nicely you mix, the much more fluffy it's going to become, and your pancakes are going to be nice. So let me show you the consistency. Just this way. Into this I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice. Like around half lemon. Next in, I'm going to add in 1 sachet of Eno fruit salt. You can use regular Eno or lemon flavored Eno. After adding in the Eno, I'm going to take my ladle and give this a good mix. You will see the batter will start becoming nice and fluffy. Perfect pancakes from masoor dal. So do not mix it so much, and let's start preparing the pancakes. So now I'm taking a frying pan, I'm going to switch it on, and next in I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm just going to gently spread it with a spoon, just little bit. Now I'm going to keep the flame on low to medium. I'm going to pour in a ladle full of this pancake batter. Let me show you the consistency as I pour in a ladle full. Just pour in a ladle full and slightly press it. Spread it like this. Spread it, and it will spread easily because we have added the rava. So the flame is on low to medium. Again I'm going to be drizzling in just little bit of oil. Just 1 or 2 drops is enough. Now I'm going to keep the flame on medium. On medium flame I'm going to wait. This is going to cook nicely for around 3 to 4 minutes. So you can see it is starting to form little bit of bubbles. It's going to be very soft and fluffy. In case if you do not have Eno, you can use baking soda. Just use half teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm just going to wait for around 2 minutes and then I'm going to be flipping this. Remember the flame is on medium. So I'm going to flip this very slowly. So after flipping this, I'm just going to add in little bit of oil, just around 2 to 3 drops on the side. This is a very healthy recipe. I'm not going to be adding in a lot of oil now. I'm just going to drizzle the oil everywhere and I'm going to cook this again. Now I'm going to cook this on low flame for 3 minutes, only on low flame, as the pan is already hot on low flame. So I'm just going to take the frying pan and toss it like this for around 5 to 10 seconds. So it will be nice, crispy from outside and soft from inside. So I'm going to just press this little bit and cook this for around 1 minute and then it will be ready. So I'm going to take this out. It's completely ready. I'm just going to take it out in a nice plate. So similarly, I'm going to be preparing the rest of the pancakes. So this masoor dal snacky idea is completely ready. You can serve this with green chutney, ketchup or chili sauce. So I wanted to share the health benefits of masoor dal in this recipe. So masoor dal is rich in cholesterol, that is lowering the fiber. It is high in protein content with essential amino acids and lecithin, and it is a good source of potassium and antioxidants. It has calcium, magnesium content to help in strengthening the bones and the teeth. It has folate and vitamin B that helps in neutralizing inflammation. And also it is an extremely beneficial dal for health that goes well when added with any vegetable. It is loaded with protein, fiber and a lot of more nutrients. So, and masoor dal also promotes skin health and it also prevents acne. Masoor dal is known to be the supreme ingredient for most weight loss diets. It is high in fiber content as it slows down the digestion process, adding to its effect on weight loss. 1 cup of masoor dal as a meal is sufficient to provide you with all the essential vitamins, proteins and other nutrients. So this recipe is ready, and yeah, you do try this and let me know in the comment section how this turns out for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you and I'll see you in my next video.